Everybody wanna be hard. Wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun. Call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft. Can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up. When they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money. But niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? I just be getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major. Because I got all the trumpet. Nigga, they call me a bandit the way I swing the stick. My baby is filthy. Filthy, man. I probably can't see all that, but filthy. Look at that. Look at all that, man. Straight filthy. I'm finna get out that cold start, though. You know what I'm talking about? Hey man, say man, it's your boy That Boy Car back with another video, man. You feel me? So as you can see, I don't know if y'all can tell the difference when y'all watching, but using my camera again. You know, I like to use my camera on sunny days like this, man, cause they might be looking crispy now. They be looking crispy. But yeah, man, I just wanted to turn the camera on. I'm just gonna run some regular stuff today, man. I don't know what I might run into today, man. It's a pretty day outside, man. Might catch some whips, people might be cruising or something. I don't know. May see something you never seen before that you gotta catch on camera. But besides all that, man, welcome back to the channel, man. Subscribe if you're new, man. If you're not new, hit that like button. You feel me? I've been watching my little stuff, man, on YouTube. What's it called? The little thing where you can see the numbers and views, man. I got more people. I got 80% people who not subscribed to me that watch my videos. That's crazy. 80%, bro. And like I think it's 10% that's subscribed. Yeah. It said like 10% or something like that. That's subscribed that watch my video, you know what I'm saying? What's going on with that, man? You watching my video, man, subscribe, man. Why? Subscribe, bro. What's going on, bro? What going on? Like, you can't subscribe to your boy, you know what I'm saying? Show me some love, man. On the road to 1K, man. On the road to 1K. What's moving, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Thank you for clicking on the video. You didn't have to click on the video, but since you did click on the video, I really appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? I know there's a lot of folks out here y'all be rocking with, man. I'm just trying to be one of them, you feel me? I'm just trying to be that upcoming one, man. I'm trying to get there, man. Roll to 1K, then when we get to 1K, man, roll to 10K, you know what I'm saying? Or 2K and so on and so forth, but the big goal is 10K, you feel me? So y'all keep rocking with your boy, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse. We're going up all 2020, 2021, 2022, so on and so forth, man. Like I say in every video, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Get with it, man. But I'm finna go take care of something, you know what I'm saying? And I'll turn the camera back on, I guess. I don't know if I come over to the idea or something, or just I feel like talking, man. But I'll holler at y'all, man. Peace. Show y'all my whip, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I hear me life say, man, you know, there's always somebody new watching your channel, but in my whip, man, you know. Got my decal on the front. You know what I'm saying? My social media tag on the side. Decal in the back. Oh yeah, I'm at Lowe's, you know. You know what I'm saying? It's dirty right now, but I'm a baby, man. That triple nickel thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Some slight. You know what I'm saying? Rap will be coming soon. I may do the rap myself. I don't know, man. I'm gonna see. It really ain't that hard. And it's cheaper. You know, instead of spending 3 bands on a rap, I could just spend $100 on a rap and do it myself. You know what I'm saying? But they're my baby, man. That thing chopping. Gonna take my baby through the wash, man. You know what I'm saying? Take y'all with me, show y'all
Show y'all how y'all wash your car, man. How you wipe that thing off, man. How you clean the inside, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get some of that dirt. There's a little dirt down here somewhere. Oh yeah, I'm always get sponsored by Crocs. I ain't even like Crocs at first. But I wear emos every day. I wear slides every day, so why not wear some Crocs, man? You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go ahead and get that wash, man. Show y'all what poppin'. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how you clean the charger, man. And first off, gotta get your rags, you know. Gotta wipe that water off, man. Can't have no water spot nowhere. I normally always get 3 rags. You can't keep using the same rag, man. But you know, I'm finna show y'all how to. Like going, dang, it don't open my gas cap. Well, we here now, so. You know what I'm saying? I normally start with the front, but I'm just gonna wipe this because I'm already opening. You know what I'm saying? I already opened it. So get all your creases. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole purpose of wiping your car down, man. You gotta wipe down the little creases or whatever, man. Keep that, you know what I'm saying? Keep that water from dripping out, man. Oh, but then when I'm about to take the rag away. You know what I'm saying? Get up under the, you know. I'm gonna try to be farther back so y'all can see me, man. But, oh, what is this? You know what I'm talking about, man. And it feel like a scratch, bro. Dang. You know what I'm talking about, man. That's the only time about getting a new car, man. You see every scratch, dog. You see every little thing. That's why I couldn't get black. Couldn't do it, man. Can't get black. Make sure y'all going, you know what I'm saying, hit me up on IG, man, that boy car _ beats, you feel me? You give me the 3K give me the 3K followers, man. On IG, man. I'm at like 2,600, something like that. Or 27, one of them. But you know, y'all see it though, man. Bit 392. You know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do, man. You know, dry it off. Whatever like that, man. I'm gonna show y'all some more stuff. You know what I'm saying? Once I get done drying it off. And another thing, man, folks that don't know, when you wash your car, man, especially you got a new one, make sure you get the dough jam, man. Folks don't know, you look at that, because people always don't ever wipe it. See all that water? See all that water down here? And soap. Folks don't ever wipe it, man. That's how you mess up your dough jam. They get all faded. You know what I'm saying? When the car get older. Get your used car, just look. That's a little tip, man. Make sure you always wipe your dough down, wipe up under the dough. Get all that water, guys. Why, man? That paint gonna start fading, man. You're gonna be mad, you know what I'm saying? That's how your dough jam look like. Doo-doo. y'all cleaned up, you feel me? See y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all shining, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Looking too clean, too clean. Yeah, man. So slight like that. I'm gonna give y'all the view of my whip, man, one more time, man. After I done cleaned it, you know, up under this sunlight. Not sunlight, I ain't gonna trip. Dumbass. Under these lights, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. She's sitting purty, you know what I'm saying? Sitting real purty looking. You know, man. She's sitting real pretty like, man. Yeah, man, that's a wrap for the video. You know, I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, show y'all my baby one last time, man. You know, but that's a wrap for the video, man. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, browse, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff, man. It's weird when you tall trying to use the camera. I'm looking at the screen, but you know, man, y'all keep rocking with your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get up there, you feel me? But like I said at the end of my video, man, if you got any kind of dream you're trying to accomplish, man, any kind of goal, anything like that, man, y'all boys just, you know, y'all boys, man, we boys and girls, man, y'all get to it. Don't give up. Trust that faith, man. Trust the process. You know what I'm saying? Stay positive and keep pushing forward, man. Anything you work hard for, man, you will get. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta do it, believe in it, man, and don't lose sight of what you were trying to do in the beginning. You feel me? I know it's easier said than done, man, but I'm telling you, man, just do it, man. I'm telling you, just do it, bro. I'm telling you. But y'all gotta do it first, man. For me to just keep telling y'all, man, y'all gotta do it for yourself to find out. But you know what I'm saying? That's about it for this video, like I said, man. And like I said in all the end of my videos, also, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.